In this video, we're diving into the top 5 passive income products you can sell using GoHighLevel. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build profitable side hustles with practical tips and clear, actionable strategies. Now, you've probably heard about GoHighLevel as an all-in-one platform, but maybe you're not exactly sure how to turn that into passive income. Well, you're in the right place. I'm gonna walk you through the best ways to use GoHighLevel to build consistent income without having to hustle 24/7. Let's get started. Number 1, white label SaaS. Sell it like it's your own. All right, let's kick things off with probably the most underrated and powerful method out there: white labeling GoHighLevel as your own software. If you're not familiar, white labeling just means you take GoHighLevel's platform, everything from the CRM to automation tools to funnels, and you slap your branding on it. Your name, your logo, your colors. Then you turn around and offer it to your own clients like it's your custom built software. Most people don't even realize how easy this is. Let's say you work with chiropractors or gym owners or real estate agents. Instead of just running their ads or managing their social media, you offer them a full-on software suite to handle leads, book appointments, send texts and emails, even collect payments. They think you've built this incredible tool for their business. And sure, you didn't code it yourself, but they don't care. They just want something that works. And if you're charging, say, $297 per month per client, and even 10 clients sign up, that's nearly $3,000 a month in recurring revenue. That's the kind of income that doesn't disappear overnight. And the beauty of it, once the setup is done, it's pretty hands off. Maybe you hop in once in a while to answer a few questions or show a new feature, but most of it runs on autopilot. The key is packaging the platform in a way that solves a clear problem. You're not just selling software. You're selling time savings, automation, and peace of mind. That's what keeps people subscribed. Next up, affiliate marketing. This one's for the people who love recommending stuff that they already use. And honestly, if you're using GoHighLevel and you're not promoting it, you're leaving money on the table. Here's the deal. GoHighLevel pays you a 40% recurring commission for every person you refer. So if someone signs up through your link for the $297 per month plan, you're pocketing about $119 every single month. And that keeps coming in as long as they stay subscribed. No fulfillment, no onboarding, no customer service, just passive cash. Let's say you make a few YouTube videos or blog posts showing people how you use GoHighLevel. Maybe it's a tutorial on automations or a walkthrough of your sales funnel setup. Drop your affiliate link in the description or article, and boom, someone signs up. That's income. Do that consistently and it starts to snowball. And here's the best part. You don't need a massive audience. I know people with tiny email lists or just a handful of YouTube videos who are making hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every month just from recurring commissions. It just takes being honest, helpful, and showing real use cases. So if you're someone who enjoys teaching or explaining tools, this is seriously one of the easiest passive streams that you can build. All right, third on the list here is creating and selling digital courses or memberships. Now, don't tune out just yet. I know a lot of people here create a course and immediately picture some overproduced, a 40-hour Udemy class with fancy lighting and a full script. Now, that's not what I'm talking about. I mean simple, helpful, and practical digital content based on what you already know. Let's say you're good at running ads or building funnels, or maybe you've figured out how to grow leads for local businesses. Package that into a short course. Just a few modules with screen recordings and explanations. And you've got something that people will pay for. GoHighLevel actually has course hosting built in. You don't need Teachable or Kajabi or anything else. You can create a members only area, set up a checkout funnel, and deliver your content all inside one platform. The cool thing about courses is that once you make them, they just sit there and sell. You might promote them through email or content, but there's no ongoing fulfillment like there is with coaching or client work. Let's say you price your course at $199. Sell 10 a month? That's nearly $2,000 on repeat. Or maybe you offer a $29 per month membership with access to exclusive templates, trainings, or live Q&A calls. You build up 100 members, that's $2,900 per month without doing anything new that month. And here's something important. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the people you're helping. That's it. If you figured something out that others are struggling with, that's enough to teach and get paid. Automated reputation management. Help businesses look good online. Let's talk about a goldmine that most people overlook. Online reviews. Seriously, this is one of the easiest ways to bring value to small businesses. And GoHighLevel makes it brain dead simple to automate. Here's how it works. After a customer visits a business, whether it's a pizza shop, a dog groomer, or a local mechanic, GoHighLevel can automatically send a text or email asking for feedback. If the customer had a great experience, they're encouraged to leave a review on Google. If not, the business is alerted and can fix the issue before it turns into a bad review. Now imagine you're a local business owner. You're busy. You've got people calling, showing up late, asking for discounts. The last thing you want to do is chase reviews. But reviews matter a lot. One bad review can tank your reputation. 5 good ones can shoot you up in the local rankings. You come in with this hands-free solution. For $200 a month, you'll set up an automated system that helps them collect 5-star reviews, respond to negative feedback, and monitor their online reputation, all without lifting a finger. You set it up once. Maybe you check in once a month, and that's it. You're providing real, ongoing value, and they're happy to pay for it. You could easily stack up 10 clients doing this and make a couple grand a month without burning out. And if you package it with your other services like white label SaaS, then it becomes even more attractive. Last but definitely not least, AI chatbots. Now, before you roll your eyes and picture some clunky bot that gets stuck in an endless loop, let me stop you. GoHighLevel's chatbot is actually smart. It's designed to help real businesses answer real questions quickly, accurately, and 24/7. Here's what most people don't realize. Most customers' messages are really repetitive. What are your hours? Do you take walk-ins? How much is a consultation? You don't need a live person answering those questions over and over again. With GoHighLevel, you can build a simple AI chatbot that lives on a business's website or Facebook page and handles those messages instantly. You can even connect it to workflows so that it books appointments, sends follow-ups, or tags leads in a CRM. Setting one up takes maybe 2 hours. You go through the most common FAQs, feed them into the system, test it a few times, and you're good to go. Then you charge the business $300 per month for automated customer support that never sleeps. You can even upsell additional features later, like multilingual support or integrations with their calendar or email platform. And just like the other methods we've talked about, this becomes passive after that initial setup. They keep paying, the bots keep working, and you're free to work on your next client or not. So let's recap real quick. You can resell GoHighLevel as your own software and collect monthly payments. You can share your affiliate link and earn recurring commissions. You can build and sell digital courses or memberships. You can help local businesses with automated review collection. You can set up AI chatbots and charge monthly for customer service. Every single one of these can be automated. Everyone can generate real sustainable income, and everyone can be started solo without needing a huge budget or team. And you don't have to do them all. Just pick the one that fits your vibe. If you like teaching, go with courses. If you like working with local businesses, reputation management or white label SaaS might be your move. If you hate people entirely, affiliate marketing might be the perfect path for you. Whatever you choose, GoHighLevel gives you the tools to build it. So here's my question for you. Which one are you gonna try first? Let me know down in the comments, and if you're already using GoHighLevel, I'd love to hear how you're making it work for you. So if you're ready to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got a link for you down in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we get a small cut when you sign up at no extra cost to you. This really helps support the channel and allows us to continue to create free content just like this. And if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. We drop new videos all the time to help you build smarter income streams and grow your business without the fluff. But other than that, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.